Okay. Hi students. As previous, you know very well about me. I'm Kopi Parsa, lecturer in physics. Today I am going to teach the interesting topics in physics from second year. So which is from electricity. So the today topic name is electricity. So which is a very so important and a very useful topic for intermediate secondary students for solving many number of questions in IIT and JEE mains. So electricity. See, first we need to learn about electricity. What is meant by electricity? See, electricity is, we know that we say that electricity is nothing but the motion of electrons in a one conductor we taken under the category of electricity. So electricity, so we denote with a letter I, and I is equal to Q by T we written. See, I is equal to Q by T is nothing but the motion of a electrons in a conductor per unit second of time we taken under the category of electricity. See, first you take any conductor AB. So if you found that any charged electrons in a conductor per unit second of time we taken under the category of electricity. So electricity is nothing but we say that it is a charge of electrons flowing in a conductor per unit second of time we known as a I. So I is equal to, so the unit of charge Q is a coulomb by the unit of time is we taken as a second. So I is equal to coulomb by second if we taken as everything is a ampere. So the measurement of current in any concepts regarding electricity, the unit is a ampere. So next concept is, students, very useful to you. So the series and parallel connection of a resistors. The series and a parallel connection of a resistor. See, first one is a series. First one is taken as resistor. So what is resistor? So we denoted with a letter R. So resistor means it is a main part. It is a good role plays in electricity. So it is a device. So resistor means it is a device. So which opposes. So which opposes the flow of charged electrons. The flow of charged electrons. That means that opposition of electricity, flowing electricity. So acting opposition to the flowing of electricity, we taken under the category of resistor R. So that symbol is we taken like this. So you I think you have observed it, the device, the resistor in a bulbs also. So in front the filament, we known as that is filament. So resistor is nothing but it is a device which opposes flow of charged electrons. Means it opposes flow of charges is nothing but taken under the category of a resistor. So next concept, students, very important, series and parallel connection of a resistor. So series and parallel connection of resistors. See, series and parallel connection of resistors. See, these resistors in electricity will be accumulated according to a connection. That connection are two types. So first one is series and the second one is a parallel. So first we discuss about a series. So what is meant by series connection? See, if you take a 3 or 4 many number of resistors connected yet together, then the forming of a structure we known as a series. See, first you take, I'm taking 3 or 4 number of resistors like this. This is a 1 and this is a 2 and this is a 3 and this is a 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So every resistor has a some identification, plus and minus and plus and minus and plus and minus. Say I'm connecting the negative sign of a first resistor is connected to the positive sign of a second resistor as continue like this. Then I am connecting towards this one battery. So it is plus minus. Then this forming of a structure we taken under the category of series connection of a resistor. See, in series I is the same. I means current. Current will be same. Means in each and every resistor the flowing current is the same. Means I1 and I1 and I1. If you take I1 the current, the same current will be flown throughout the resistors 1, 2, 3. But the voltage is different here. Here the voltage across first resistor is V1, and voltage across second resistors will be V2, and voltage across third resistors will be V3. Here V1, V2, V3 are not same. V1 as it is, V1 has one value and V2 has one value. Means here in current series connection, I will be same, means current will be same, but the voltage will be add up. Voltage V1, V2 plus V3. So not the same voltage. See, first we know very well Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. See, in the place of V, can I substitute R? IR is equal to V1 means I1 R1 means the voltage across first resistor, that is V1 means the voltage across first resistor, V2 means the voltage across second resistor, the V3 means the voltage across third resistors. So I1 R1 plus I2 R2 plus V3 means I3 R3. See what I have told you, in series connection the current will be same, means I means same. See, IR is equal to, see, I1 will be I1 and I2 will be I1 and I3 will be also I1. See, I1, this is also you take I1, no problem, right? So I1, if you take common, R is equal to I1 into R1 plus R2 plus R3. So I1 gets cancelled. R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is one of the formula for using series connection of resistors. Series connection of resistors. The next one is we discuss about a parallel connection of this is the last topic I'm going to discuss. Okay, see, parallel connection of resistors means how the resistors will be connected in a parallel. See, I'm taking a many number of resistors, 1 and this is a 2 and this is a 3. See, okay, see, 1 and second and 3. So these three resistors I'm connecting together, means this is positive negative, this is positive negative, this is positive negative, means all the positive terminals, all the positive signs of all the resistors connected together and all the negative signs of resistors connected together, and these everything is I am going to connect it to the one battery. See what is happened in parallel connection. So here I1, I2, I3. See here currents are not same. So currents will be differ and the voltage will be same. The voltage will be same. What can we write? So here current will be I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So the total current whatever the coming from battery will be flowing through first, second and third. See I will be, you can write as V is equal to IR. So V is equal to IR, from which this formula we can write I is equal to V by R. So V by R is equal to V by R1, V1 by R1 and V2 by R2 and V3 by R3. So what I have told you, voltages are same. See V by R is equal to, in the place of V1 I can put V, and in the place of V2 I can put V, and in the place of V3 I can put V. So V by R is equal to, if you take a common V, so 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So VV gets cancelled. So 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is a equivalent resistor formula connected in a parallel. So thank you so much, students. So if anybody are there for didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and thank you so much.